Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crypto, COM to MetaMask. First, ensure you have both accounts set up and ready. You'll need your MetaMask wallet installed as a browser extension and your crypto, COM app accessible. This connection allows for seamless transfer of assets, expanding your decentralized finance options. We'll cover the necessary steps to link them securely and efficiently, making your crypto journey smoother. Next, you'll need to configure your MetaMask wallet to recognize the crypto, COM chain. Open MetaMask and navigate to the Network Selection dropdown. Choose Add Network and input the specific network details, including the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL. Double-check these details to ensure a successful connection and avoid any transaction errors. Now, let's move to your crypto, COM app to initiate the withdrawal. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and choose the withdraw option. It's crucial to select the crypto, COM chain network for this transaction. Carefully paste your MetaMask wallet address into the recipient field. Always double-check the address to prevent funds from being sent to an incorrect destination. Finally, return to your MetaMask wallet to confirm the arrival of your transferred assets. The funds should appear in your wallet balance shortly after the transaction is processed on the blockchain. You can now use these assets within the broader decentralized finance ecosystem, interacting with various dApps. Remember that transaction times and fees can vary depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.